Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy and sell stocks Thinkorswim step by step. Open Thinkorswim, sign in, and confirm your account is funded before placing orders. Set a clear strategy and choose stocks that match your risk tolerance and time horizon. Use watch lists to track tickers and practice with paper trading if you want to test ideas without risking real money upfront. When placing orders, enter the ticker in the Trade tab and scan the live quote ladder to find good entry points. Select Market for immediate fills or limit to specify price, and consider stop orders to control losses. Always set the exact quantity you want and review whether you are buying shares or selling them. Confirm order details and monitor fills in the Activity and Positions panels as your trade executes. If this is helping you, please subscribe and like. It really helps the channel grow. Quick recommendation. On another note, treat your feet right with darn tough socks that feel great and come with a lifetime warranty, perfect for long trading sessions at your desk. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you grab a pair and enjoy them, now let's get back to the video. Managing risk is what keeps you in the game longer, so use stop losses to cap downside and trailing stops to lock in gains. Size each position to risk a small percentage of your account, such as 1% or 2%, so a few losses won't derail you. Check your positions daily, reassess stop levels, and avoid emotional overtrading by sticking to your original plan and risk limits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.